Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard requiring TPM 2.0. First, let's check your current TPM status. Open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R, then type TPM, MSC, and hit Enter. This will open the Trusted Platform Module Management console. Here, you can see if TPM is present and enabled on your system. If it shows the TPM is ready for use, you're good to go. If not, we'll need to enable it in your BIOS settings. To enable TPM, restart your computer and repeatedly press the designated key, often F2, Delete, or F10 to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the Security or Advanced tab. Look for an option like Trusted Platform Module, TPM Device, Intel Platform Trust Technology, or AMD CPU FTPM. Ensure this setting is enabled. Save your changes before exiting the BIOS, and your system should then recognize TPM 2.0. If enabling TPM doesn't resolve the issue, consider updating your motherboard's BIOS to the latest version. Outdated firmware can sometimes prevent proper TPM recognition. Also, verify that Secure Boot is enabled in your BIOS settings, as it often works in conjunction with TPM for security features. Some older CPUs might not natively support TPM 2.0, so confirm your processor meets the minimum requirements, such as an 8th Gen Intel or Ryzen 2000 series or newer. These steps can help ensure your system is fully prepared. Once you've enabled TPM and potentially updated your BIOS, restart your computer and try launching Vanguard again. It should now recognize TPM 2.0 and allow you to play. If you still encounter problems, consulting your motherboard's manual or contacting their technical support can provide specific guidance for your hardware. They often have detailed instructions for enabling these features. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.